Hi, I'm Sandy Slade, President and Founder of Skillastics, a large group physical activity resource that combines active and cooperative learning with the development of fitness and sports skills. Today I'm going to talk to you about the #1 question that we get from instructors about what activity kit to purchase first. So some people say, hey, we have only got enough for one activity kit. Which one do you suggest that we purchase first? And I always answer that out with our general fitness scholastics. It's very general physical activities, and it's a great way to introduce your students into the technique of scholastics. If they are looking for, if say for instance you're looking for something sports specific, I suggest basketball scholastics. Basketball scholastics is very simplistic, and it really helps children develop their fundamental skills in basketball in a fun and active way. So if you're looking to purchase something that's just general fitness, I would suggest you go with fitness scholastics for elementary age children. And then if you're looking for sports specific, I would go for basketball scholastics. And once your students understand the technique of scholastics, which is so easy to understand, you'll be ready to implement other activity kits. So have a wonderful day and keep them moving.